I just finished cutting out these, I don't know what to call them, I guess the sideboards, and then these are the panels that are going to go in between on this sort of rocker, or if it's turned over, it's a ramp that I'm making for the Hanks children, my grandchildren. And let's see, this is a piece of 18 millimeter, around 3/4 inch Baltic birch. Expensive stuff. This is the other half of the 5x5. You buy it in 5x5s. That turned into that, and then there's just pine on the panels. So next steps, before this step, I attached the two edges together so that I could make them the exact same size. Took a bit of sanding and cutting, and then I took the slats, or whatever these are called, and sanded them, and then routed the edges with a round over bit. Right there on my trusty router. And so then the next step now is I'm just going to try and put a few of them together, see if it all works, and then move forward.